If you've forgotten your WordPress username or password in Hostinger, you can recover them by accessing your Hostinger hosting account. Here's how. Access your Hostinger dashboard. Log into your Hostinger account. Navigate to Hosting and select your WordPress hosting plan. Open phpMyAdmin. In the hosting dashboard, scroll to the database section and click on phpMyAdmin. Choose the database associated with your WordPress website. Find username. In phpMyAdmin, locate the WP users table. Click on the Browse tab to view the user list. The user login column contains your WordPress username. Reset password. If you don't know the password, in the WP users table, find the row with your username. Under the user pass column, edit the value. Change the value to a new password and select MD5 in the function column before saving. Save changes to update the password. Log into WordPress. Go to your WordPress login page and use the recovered username and new password to log in.